Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? And see what I deal with, We continuing the saga of the Hill and Gully ride. Riddim, the genius did this thing. The genius did this thing with this Riddim, man. He's bringing back the vibes. He's bringing back the Jankuno and the Kumina vibes. You see me? He's bringing back the origin of dancehall and of the culture overall. You see me? I say, yes, man. Enough people know dancehall and they know reggae, but they don't know about Kumina and the Jankuno. This is basically where it's coming from, because that's where dancehall and reggae originally was, in fact, Kumina and Jankuno. You see me? I say, yes, man. This is back from Kumina and Jankuno come from the slavery days, if you don't know about the Caribbean or Jamaican history. You see me? Yeah, yes, man. Before there was the reggae and dancehall, we had Kumina, we had Jankuno. That's where the which thing there, which reggaeton later on stole, actually, if y'all didn't know. But anyway, we're not getting into that. But yeah, the genius bringing it back to the roots, the real roots, and it's been a fun. It's a fun rhythm. You see me? And love artists are jumping. We are see way to go, and we're gonna continue today. Till we there with Nigy boy and the genius. The one name Want Me Money. I want go on Nigy. How we are say upon that one now? We're gonna see where that gonna deal with. See if he take a different turn with it, or if he's still catering to the ladies like all the artists before. We're gonna see what I got. Nigy boy, the genius, Want Me Money. Let's get you with all of the vibes.
Can I get some money, Zaddy?
Ulele, ulele, ulele.
I'm like the son of me almost think say that come from Africa. Where that gonna deal with what you Nigy?
You not take me fi clave. No, you not take advantage of me. One money I fi run the One money. Listen, it's not that I'm.
Hey Nigy, me second that, brother. I want you. Nigy blind, but blind, you know, black Nigy, no fool. Go on, too.
Can I get some money, Zaddy?
Ulele, ulele.
Yeah, come back, so it's a giant girl.
Ulele.
Ulele.
You not take me fi clave.
No, sir.
No, you not take advantage of me.
No, sir.
One money I fi run the One money. Listen, it's not that I'm.
Oh, you not take advantage, mama. You want it if you run it. Go on.
Girl, me just spend with sense. Every dollar leave me and with intent to how we operate with self-interest. So don't come to me with your bag of nonsense. Listen, remember
that how we operate with self-interest. No, come on. That's the way I said to them.
One money I fi run the One money. Listen, it's not that I'm frugal. Me just spend with sense. Every dollar leave me and with intent to how we operate with self-interest.
I don't frugal, mama. Me spend with sense. Every dollar leave with intent. How are you watch you?
So don't come to me with your bag of nonsense. Listen, remember nothing in a life, don't fret. You have to give in order to receive, so
nothing in a life, mama. Nothing at all. No, you don't even think you not me here no free. One little year and a tire if you pay a fee. What you?
Give me the nookie if you want me money. Give me the sitting if you. Me money come with strings attached. Work without pay a girl, me cannot. If you want bricks like cinder block, feel it.
Buckley. Nigy, how they feel like? My money come with strings attached, mama. You want brick like cinder block?
You want me money? Give me the sitting if you. Me money come with strings attached. Work without pay a girl, me cannot. If you want bricks like cinder block, feel if you rich life you see on Instagram. Give it up, girl, you know have to think a lot. Me we finance your trip to.
Mama, you have to think twice or tough about it, From you do the right thing. The right things will come to you. Watch you.
Switzerland, but it a come at the cost of a rich backers. If you no plan, fill it off. Hurry up and get ready.
You want to go to Switzerland? It a come with a rich backers. Nigy boy, big up your damn self. You go on.
Me we finance your trip to Switzerland, but it a come at the cost of a rich backers. If you no plan, fill it off. Hurry up and get ready like sister Pat to go. In a life, don't.
You know, you plan, fill it off, mama. Hurry up and get ready. Like a sister Pat and go. Move up. What?
You have to give in order to receive, so give me the nookie if you want me money. Give me the sitting if you want me money. You're not trick me like.
Hey, Nigy, dash money, but you don't know him a dash it out blood clot. Nigy.
Give me the sitting if you want me money.
Nigy don't know where him a dash it out blood clot. Girl, that's so Nigy. Nigy, the girl is right here. The girl is right there. Dash you over here. Big up Nigy boy. Hey. I don't fit the Nigy strip club now. We're not going to the strip club. You know, probably if strip club, I say now go where I saw that you want. Nigy, one Nigy boy. Go on through.
You not trick me like an answer. Me run funds, you drop the panty, girl. Give me the nookie if you want me money. Give me the sitting if you want me money. Oh, you want me greens, I know want me banana. Try take somebody else.
You want me greens, but no want the banana, girl. What kind of wicked girl this? The green and the banana come together. It come together.
Give me the nookie if you want me money. Give me the sitting if you want me money. Oh, you want me greens, I know want me banana. Try take somebody else fi clown. Value me like how you value me dollar. Do something for the US.
Value me like how you value me dollar. I want to you. I go take somebody else fi clown, girl. How you feel like?
Clown. Value me like how you value me dollar. Do something for the US, the pound. Me work for my new band, we buy you offer. Me not spend till me left without.
Me work for buy a man, we buy you up. Where dogs say? Hold on there. Where dogs say?
Me dollar. Do something for the US, the pound. Me work for my new band, we buy you offer. Me not.
Where is it? Me work for my new man, we buy you after that. That's it.
The pound. Me work for my new band, we buy you offer. Me not spend till me left without. If I want thing, me learn from me father. Moving a girl house, you get kicked out.
You see, watch out.
Nothing in a life don't fret. You have to give in order to receive. So give me the nookie if you want me money. Give me the sitting if you want me money. Oh, you not trick me like an answer. Me run fun.
You not trick me like an auntie, girl. How you feel like? You feel like we not learn? We are learn from an auntie too, you know. How you feel like?
You drop the panty, girl. Give me the nookie if you want me money. Give me the sitting if you want me money. Oh, remember nothing in a life don't fret. You have to give in order to receive. So give me the nookie if you want me money. Give me the sitting if you want me money.
Yes, man. Go on through.
You not trick me like an answer. Me run funds, you drop the panty, girl. Give me the nookie if you want me money. Give me the sitting if you want me money.
Run it. Nigy. If you want the money. What? Not clean. Nigy. Don't play with Nigy, you know. Nigy blind, but Nigy no fool. Give me the sitting if you want the money. You want the green, but no want me banana. Value me like you value me dollar. Easy. Hey man say, yo, you want pay without work. Me can't do that. Can't do that at all. You see me? You have to do something if you want the USD pound, woman. The man say, yo, me tell you, relax, Guatemala, but he come with that, relax, Panama, but he come with that rich backers. Where did I say?
Take me fi cafe.
Oh no!
Do not take advantage of me.
No!
One money I fi run the
Run the Go on.
One money. Listen, it's not that I'm frugal. Me just spend with sense.
Every dollar you have to live within.
Every dollar leave me and within 10 to how we operate with self-interest.
No, hey.
Don't come to me with your bag of nonsense. Listen, remember nothing in a life, don't fret.
Nothing.
You have to give in order to receive.
Give to receive, girl.
So, give me the nookie if you want me money.
Yes, man.
Give me the sitting if you. Me money come with strings attached.
Strings attached. I want to you.
Work without pay, girl, me cannot. If you want bricks like Cinder Black, feel it.
You want bricks like Cinder Black?
Rich life you see on Instagram. Give it up, girl, you know have to think a lot. Me we finance your trip to Switzerland.
But guess what?
But it a come at the cost of a rich backers.
That's the way I done it. Nigy boy, yo guys, let me know what you think about the one in the comment section. Nigy no easy, you know. Nigy blind, but Nigy no fool. I want you. Hey, go on, show. Nigy boy, man. You see me dog I do him thing, guys. Let me know what you think about the one in the comment section. Ladies, let me know. They only love the one there. Only hear what the one there. Ladies, only think about the one there. Me know it's no found not like the one that can just want things, you know, just want the total and receive and not get nothing in return. One of the tap it. How wicked. Exchange is no robbery. Stop it. Well, yo, just like when I receive it on us, sometimes I give some things, you see me, man, don't even have to give them the money if you get I'm to, hey, I'm to mutual attraction, eh? I'm to mutual attraction. I'm to you, man, go and show, I'm paying for nothing, man, I'm to love on them thing, don't forget about love on them thing, and care, TLC on them thing. Anyway, guys. Anyway, gang. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, ladies. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know what your favorite song is on the rhythm. And if I haven't reacted to it as yet, I will definitely get to it. But you already know what time it is, guys. Me now will provide much longer. Let's discuss it in the comment section. You already know what time it is. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.